Alright, check out my new roller mat that I've been using. A brand sent me this to try out, and I've used it. You can see how deep my carpet is. It's not like shag carpet or anything like that, but it does make it hard to roll on with this chair, so this thing's been nice. But don't do what I did. You see right here, whenever I took this thing out of the box, I took it outside and set it in the sun, and I put bricks on it, pretty heavy bricks, and since it was in the sun, it kind of molded there, and whenever I brought it back in, it cooled down. It's summertime, so the thing got like 150 degrees out there in the sun. So I can take it back out there and it would flatten back out. But yeah, if you do take it out of the box and take it outside and put it in the sun, put something flat on there, not something that would be a brick or anything pointy like I did. But it still works just fine. As you can see, this thing rolls around much better than it would on the carpet. And even with me on it, I'm 230 pounds, so it rolls just fine. And it's not, it's not gonna make creases or anything like that. So, a roller mat, it's working for me. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.